Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to import ChatGPT data into Claude AI. So to start, you need to go to chatgpt.com, and then once you're on the main dashboard, click on the prompt box right here. And then you can ask ChatGPT like, create a data packet that includes everything you know about me that I can give context to Claude. Then once done, click on submit, and then ChatGPT will work on your prompt. So here's a clean, structured data packet you can copy and give to Claude or any AI so it understands you, your goals, and how you like things done. So check everything, scroll down if needed. Now, once done, you need to copy all these details. So copy all that and right click and tap on copy. Now, once you copy this, go to Claude AI, and once you're in Claude AI, click on your profile icon at the bottom left. Once you do that, look for settings and tap on that. And in here at the left side, you have a lot of options, but we need to click on general. So once you're on the general option, scroll down and go to what personal preferences should Claude consider in responses. And just paste all the details in here. So right click and tap on paste, or you can also click Control plus V and the details will be pasted in here. So your preferences will apply to all conversations within Anthropic's guidelines. So now you've provided Claude with all of the general info with yourself. So check all the details, and once done, you can tap on Save Changes. So as you can see, account preferences updated. So Claude will use all these info when it replies to your prompts. And that's basically it. That's how you can import ChatGPT data into Claude AI. So again, you need to go to your profile icon at the bottom left, then go to settings, go to general, and head on to what personal preferences should Claude consider in responses, and just paste all the text in here, or again and just paste all the text in here or all the details, and just tap on save changes when prompted. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.